extrude, we're now going to look at the extrude cut. And that is up here in extrude, except you've got the remove section over here. So we're going to click on sketch as we normally do, choose a plane. Let's go for the right plane this time, just to change it up. Click on N for the normal to view, and then let's take a center rectangle like so. Let's make it this size, dimension it with the shortcut D. Let's go and make it 100 millimeters. Click once on the orange line, click again, make this 100 millimeters, press enter, and then we're going to extrude this. And let's go symmetric and let's make it 100 as well. So we have a perfect cube. If we move around, you can see symmetric, it's gone both ways by 50 millimeters to make a total of 100. So we have this cube, nice and easy. What we're going to then do is take something away. So this time I'm going to select this face, I'm going to click on it and press sketch. I'm then going to take, I don't know, let's go for a rectangle. Let's go for an aligned rectangle. Let's choose a line going from here over to here at a funky angle, and then we can stretch it back like so. I'm then going to dimension this by pressing D. I'm going to make this 65 by 50, and that is now dimensioned, but it's not black. Okay, it can still move around, which is obviously something that we do not like. So this time I'm going to dimension it. I'm going to take it from, let's go from this line to this corner, and we're going to make that, say, 32 exactly. And then we're going to go from this line to this corner, and we're going to make it, say, 10. Okay, now it's still black. Sorry, it's still blue. Why is it blue? Because it can pivot. All right, and we want it to be at an angle. So if we leave it there like so, that's suddenly snapped to something which we don't want. We could then take our dimension tool and we could click on these two lines and we could make this angle, say 16 degrees, and we now have a perfectly dimensioned rectangle on the top. Nice and easy. So the main thing for this video though is going to be taking it away. So we go up to here and click on extrude. It's selected that automatically because that's the last thing we had selected. If it wasn't, we could then just hover over, it would go orange, we click on it, and what it's trying to do is it's trying to add something at the moment, okay, which is the same color. We could green tick that, and it just adds this on top, but that's not what we want. Do we want to make something new, a new part? No, we don't want to do that. We want to remove it, okay, and it's gone red. The reason for it going red, it says it does not intersect with the target, and the target is obviously this part here. So all we need to do is to change the direction, and we can click on the arrow, drag it down. That's one option. Or another option is to just click on the opposite direction. We change the distance, so let's make that 30 millimeters down, and then we can click on green tick, and we have removed a section of our initial cube. Okay, very, very simple, nice and easy tool that you'll probably use quite a lot.